am going to show you a side hustle idea that will earn you $1,300 with the help of Google and artificial intelligence. People are able to make money from this side hustle idea because it is proven and it is real. So if you come on the internet today to look for a side hustle that you can do from the comfort of your home, then you came across the right video. And all you need to have is a good internet connection and a browsing phone. Trust me, you don't want to miss out on this one. So stick with me from start to finish. By the way, my name is Ruki, and on this channel I talk about personal finance. So let's get started. The first step is come over to Google and search for Google News. It will bring out the top trending news. Basically, what Google does is to fish out the important day-to-day trending news. They will fish it out and they will bring it under Google News. On Google News, we have varieties of news you can choose from. We have the world news, local news, business, tech, entertainment, sports, science, health, and so on. So let's make use of the health category. We have options to choose from. What you need to do is to choose the most catchy and interesting article. If you have questions like, okay, Rookie, makes sense, how am I going to make money from what you are saying? Just relax, okay? We are going to get there. The reason why we are going with interesting and catchy article is because you don't want to work with boring articles because nobody's going to read it. You have to look for article that will give people value and it will be interesting to read. You have to put yourself in the shoes of the person that wants to read the article, okay? So you cannot just go for any article. So this one right here says, weight loss expert says cutting out one thing that will help you lose belly fat. Now that is an interesting article with an interesting picture, like someone is holding their stomach. So when you click on the article, read through the article and make sure it provides value and it is not boring to read, okay? Any variety of Google News that you want to use, be it entertainment, be it sports, be it celebrity news, be it health-wise, any variety that you want to, just make sure that it is interesting and it is catchy. So we are going to copy the article and go to ChatGPT, which is a complete free AI tool to use to get us the original article. Like we are going to change some words. And the reason why we want to do this is to avoid copyright issue and to ensure that the article is for us, like it's originally rearranged and rephrased for us. Before we move to the second step, I have something really important to say, which is how you get to monetize this article. And I am going to show you two different methods for you to do so. And one of them include you getting $1 per word for any article that you post. So imagine that you post an article of 450 words of 600 words. You are going to get $600. So step 2, which is to head over to ChatGPT, one of the most powerful and free AI tools out there. I mean, if you are on planet Earth, you can access ChatGPT for free. As a beginner, don't just make use of any basic prompts out there. I'll suggest that you use the prompts that I want to talk about on today's video. And this is actually the first time I'm talking about this secret special prompt that you can use on ChatGPT so that AI will not dictate what your article is. They will not detect that it is written by an artificial intelligence for you. I advise you make use of this prompt right here. Then you want to paste that on ChatGPT like this. Then copy the belly fat article that we get earlier and paste underneath this prompt. And let ChatGPT generate and rearrange an original article for you. So ChatGPT generates a title, a strong introduction, and the article structure, and all of this actual. So I am just going to copy and paste in my notes or anywhere professional. You are not going to find this article that you just generated anywhere else on the internet because it is specially designed. The only issue you might have is AI detecting if the article is generated by a human or an artificial intelligence, and that is where undetected AI comes in. You can go to undetected AI website. They are going to rearrange the article for you. Now that we got our article from Google News, we make use of ChatGPT to rearrange the news for us. The next step is to actually monetize this article and start making money from it. It's simple. All you've got to do is to partner with affiliate program companies, make use of their link, paste it inside your article, and whenever someone clicks on that link for free, they are clicking on it for free, you will get paid. That is all you have to do. You don't have to be a professional. You don't have to be an expert. As long as you're an average person, you'll be able to do this. All those news that you used to see on Google, celebrity news, daily news that you just click on it. Those people are actually making money from it, and that is what you are going to be doing now. The first affiliate I want to mention is ShrinkMe. ShrinkMe is a platform where you can affiliate and you get paid $5 per affiliate. It's actually very simple. All you need to do is just to get people to click on your link, and you can promote your link on so many platforms. You can promote them on TikTok, you can promote them on Twitter. And one major strategy that professional affiliate marketers make use of is to create a website of their own, and they post those articles on their website, and when someone click on those articles to direct them to their website, we are clicking on the article for free, right? But they are getting paid for it. It is actually a very strategic move. And if you want to go with that option, if you want to create a website for yourself where you can post article, then I'll drop a link in my description where you can make use of AI tools to create a website for yourself. You don't have to be a professional. AI is going to do everything for you. And the AI tool that you can make use of is Hostinga. I have a very detailed video on that. I don't want to go into that on today's video because I don't want to bore you with long talk. Lastly, another website you can make use of to make money is Eatingware. Eatingware pay you $1 per word. So if you have 600 words, they are going to pay you $600. But Eatingware is only it's only limited to Earthwise articles. So if you post article like how to lose belly fat, do this to gain weight, do this to lose weight. And Eatingware is not limited to a specific geographical location. You can be in Nigeria and use Eatingware. You can be in the United States, use Eatingware. You can be in India, use Eatingware. You can be in Africa, use Eatingware. It is not limited to it, and it is very easy to navigate and use. But I always advise people to create their own websites. But you can just start with these ones. You can start with Eatingware and ShrinkMe for now. Then if you are getting more professional, that you can create your own website for yourself. So that brings us right into the end of this video. I hope that you gain one or two value, and don't forget to leave a thumbs up, don't forget to subscribe and share to anyone that needs to see this video. So guys, I'll see you right in the next video. Bye bye.